Okay, in this video we're going to be talking about the depth of the foundation. So right, if we come to the schedule here, you can see a D. Now this D is not the depth of the foundation. This D is something else, which I have shown in the foundation layout plan section. Okay, you can go and see it there, and this D is symbolized right over here. You can see that this is D. See, so from here to here, here to here is D. There you go. And D for foundation 1 is 16 inches, for foundation 2 is 15 inches, and for foundation 3 is 16 inches. Okay, so whenever the workers are going to see D here, they're going to call back to the schedule, and when they're working on the foundation 1, they're going to use this D, and when they're working on the foundation 2, they're going to use this D. Okay, now the depth of the foundation is actually the height from the EGL to the bottom of the foundation, which is right over here, this place. Okay, so this is the depth of the foundation, and how much the depth is going to be of the foundation is actually received from the soil test report. So the soil test report specifies the depth of foundation. So the structural designer actually takes the depth from there, and they're going to notify you. And if they do not notify you, you can just go to the soil test report, and you can see that the depth for foundations is specified this much. So you just see that number and place it here. For this, let's say it was 7 feet, but if it was 8 feet, you just do a double click on it, edit it to 8 feet or 6 feet, and voila, you're done. Your work is done here. Okay, so this is the depth of the foundation from the EGL to the bottom till the BFS or the CC. Okay, alright, in the next video we're going to be talking about the distance between EGL and EL. So that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you got to learn something new.